If you want your files to stay in sync on every device, OneDrive makes it incredibly simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync OneDrive across devices step by step, so you can access the same files on your laptop, desktop, tablet, or phone without sending anything back and forth manually. This is perfect for anyone who wants a smooth workflow, better file backup, and easy access to documents anywhere. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. All right, let's jump right in. The first step is to install and sign into Microsoft OneDrive on each device you want to connect. On a Windows computer, OneDrive is often already built in, but if not, you can download it from Microsoft. On a Mac, iPhone, Android device, or another PC, just install the OneDrive app and open it. Once it's installed, sign in using your Microsoft account. This is very important because OneDrive only syncs your files properly when all of your devices are connected to the same account. So if you use OneDrive on your laptop, make sure you log into the exact same Microsoft account on your phone and any other devices too. If you accidentally use a different account, your files will not appear in the same place, and it can look like syncing is broken when really it's just a sign-in mismatch. Double check this before moving on. After signing in, OneDrive will begin setting up your files and syncing your folders. Depending on how many files you already have stored in the cloud, this may take a little time. If this is your first time using OneDrive, it may need to download your folders and organize everything before it finishes. So be patient here and let it complete the process. If you close the app too early, some files may not appear right away. Next, make sure your internet connection is turned on and stable on all devices. OneDrive relies on the internet to keep everything updated. If one device is offline, it can still hold files locally for a while, but it won't sync new changes until it reconnects. That means if you upload, edit, or delete a file on one device, OneDrive needs internet access to send that update to the other devices. Now here's where the magic happens. Once OneDrive is active on all of your devices, anything you upload or change on one device will automatically sync to the others. For example, if you add a document on your laptop, it should show up on your phone after syncing completes. If you edit a file on your tablet, the updated version will be available on your desktop too. This is what makes OneDrive so useful for students, professionals, and anyone who works across multiple screens. To access your synced files, open the OneDrive folder on your computer or launch the OneDrive app on your phone or tablet. Inside, you'll see the folders and files that are connected to your account. You can tap or click any file to open it, and in most cases, the latest version will already be there. If you don't see something immediately, give it a moment and refresh the view or check that syncing is finished. Another important tip is to keep OneDrive running in the background for continuous syncing. On a computer, that means leaving the OneDrive app active so it can keep checking for changes. On a phone, make sure the app has permission to run and sync in the background when needed. If background syncing is paused or disabled, your files may stop updating until you open the app again. If you ever want to confirm that everything is working, try making a small change to a file on one device and then check the same file on another device after a few moments. That's the easiest one to test whether syncing is active. You can also look for the OneDrive sync status icon, which usually tells you whether files are up to date, syncing, or waiting for connection. And that's really all there is to it. Install OneDrive on each device, use the same Microsoft account, make sure you're online, wait for syncing to finish, and then access your files from anywhere. Once it's set up correctly, OneDrive handles the rest in the background, so your files stay consistent across all your devices. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.